Namaste. We'll learn the one more shloka now. So this shloka you will say while going to the bed. Fine? So why? To avoid the bad dreams, to avoid the negative thoughts while going to the bed. Because it is believed that so whatever we think during the while going to the bed, so the same thing will come in our dream and makes our mind a little more weaker. So always when you go to the bed, go little calm without any problem. Do not fight before going to the bed. Go happily with a smile, with love. Okay, so this is the shloka that you will chant before going to the bed. So before going to the bed, I remember the god Hanuman. So Hanuman, it is believed that he will remove all kind of bad dreams and all kind of negative thoughts. Fine. So we'll learn this shloka now. Raamaskandam. Raamaskandam. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Raamaskandam. Hanumantam. Hanumantam. We'll put it together. Raamaskandam. Hanumantam. Wonderful. Vainateyam. 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 Vrukodaram. Vrukodaram. Raamaskandam. Hanumantam. Vainateyam. Vrukodaram. Raamaskandam. Hanumantam. Vainateyam. Vrukodaram. Wonderful. Shayaneya. Shayaneya. Shayana is while sleeping. Smare nityam. Smare nityam. Smare is I'll remember. Nitya is every day. So every day I'll remember you while going to the sleep. And why? Dhusvapnam. Dhusvapnam. Swapna is a dream. Dhusvapna is a bad dream. Swapna. Swapna is a dream. Dhusvapna is a bad dream. Dhusvapnam. Dhusvapnam. Tasya nashyati. You'll remove it. Tasya nashyati will be destroyed. The bad dreams will be destroyed. Tasya nashyati. Wonderful. We'll say the second line. Okay. So we told Raamaskandam. Hanumantam. Vainateyam. Vrukodaram. This is the first line. The second line is Shayaneya. Smare nityam. Shayaneya. Smare nityam. Dhusvapnam. Dhusvapnam. Tasya nashyati. Tasya nashyati. Dhusvapnam. Tasya nashyati. Wonderful. So we'll say the complete shloka now. Raamaskandam. Hanumantam. Vainateyam. Vrukodaram. Shayaneya. Smare nityam. Dhus Swapnam tasya nashyati. We'll increase the speed little, okay? Raamaskandam Hanumantam Vainateyam Vrukodaram Shayaneya Smare Nityam Dusvapnam Tasya Nashyati. Wonderful. So if you want, if you are confused still, I'll break the words, each and every words. Raamaskandam Hanumantam Vainateyam Vrukodaram Shayaneya Smare Nityam Dusvapnam Tasya Nashyati. Fine. So we'll say the complete shloka now, a little louder. Raamaskandam Hanumantam Vainateyam Vrukodaram Shayaneya Smare Nityam Dusvapnam Tasya Nashyati. Fine. So this was the shloka that I used to chant before going to the bed to avoid the bad dreams. I hope you have learned this shloka. Please practice this shloka nicely and thoroughly before going to the next shlokas. Fine. So thank you so much. Please leave me the feedback. How was the session? How you all liked it? And hope you liked it and you are having a good timing and good learning by the shloka codes. Okay, we'll learn the next shlokas. Thank you.